Welcome to Mbose Educare. Today I have brought to you class 10 mathematics chapter 2 polynomials, some important MCQs. These MCQs are important for your upcoming SSLC final exam. Let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following is a quadratic polynomial? Option A, x plus 7. Option B, x square minus 2. Option C, x cube plus 4x plus 9. Option D, x to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 2x plus 7. Correct option B, x square minus 2. That means in which polynomial the maximum power is 2 or is square, that is called quadratic polynomial. If the maximum power is 3, that is called cubic polynomial. If the maximum power is 4, that is called biquadratic polynomial. And in which expression there is maximum power only 1, that is called linear polynomial. Alright. Question number 2. A polynomial of degree 3 is called A. Option A, linear polynomial. Option B, quadratic polynomial. Option C, cubic polynomial. Option D, biquadratic polynomial. Correct option C, cubic polynomial. Remember, when the degree is 1, that is called linear. Degree 1, linear. Quadratic, that means degree 2. Degree 2 means power 2, maximum power 2. Degree 3 means maximum power 3 is cubic. And degree 4, maximum power is 4, that is called biquadratic polynomial. Remember it. According to our question, a polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Alright. Next, question number 3. A quadratic polynomial can have at most option A 1 0, option B 2 zeros, option C 3 zeros, option D 4 zeros. Correct option B 2 zeros. Remember, quadratic polynomial have maximum power is 2, that means degree is 2. Here 0 also will be 2. Number of zeros will be 2. Next, question number 4. The degree of a constant polynomial is option A 2, option B 1, option C minus 1, option D 0. Correct option D 0. Next, question number 5. The degree of a 0 polynomial is option A always 0, option B never 0, option C negative, option D undefined. Correct option D undefined. Next, question number 6. The degree of the polynomial px x square minus 5x plus 6 is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct option B 2. Where you can see from this expression, this polynomial, the degree means the maximum power. Here maximum power on variable. Here two variables are there. In variable is 1 x, but in two places, here and here. But which is the maximum power? Here this power is 2 and here nothing means power 1. So maximum power is called the degree of the polynomial. So here maximum power in this polynomial, maximum power is 2. Therefore degree of this polynomial will be 2. Alright. Next, question number 7. Sum of zeros of the polynomial px equal x square minus 3x plus 2 is option A 2, option B 3, option C minus 2, option D minus 3. Correct option B 3. The sum of the zeros of this polynomial is 3. How? We have to find out using this formula. That formula is minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. So this we have to apply this formula. First write this minus as it is, and then coefficient of x from this polynomial, that is with x the number is called coefficient. So here 3 minus 3 is the coefficient of x, and then divided by coefficient of x square. With x square what number is there? Nothing means 1. So 1 will be coefficient. Now calculate this. Minus into minus will be positive, that means plus, then positive 3 divided by 1. When 3 is divided by 1, answer will be 3. So correct option is 3. Alright. Next, question number 8. Product of zeros of the polynomial px equal x square minus 3 is option A minus 3, option B 3, option C under root 3, option D minus under root 3. Correct option A minus 3. How we can verify this answer? Giving this using this formula, that is product of zeros of px equal constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Alright, so we can use this formula. First constant term is 3. Without variable, the constant number is called constant term, that is minus 3, and divided by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square nothing means 1. So minus 3 divided by 1, answer will be minus 3. So this is option A is the correct. Alright. Next question number 9. Number of zeros of a polynomial of degree n is option A equal to n, option B greater than n, option C less than n, option D less than or equal to n. Correct option D, less than or equal to n. Next question number 10. If the graph of y equal px, where px is a polynomial, does not intersect the x-axis, then the number of zeros is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D no zeros. Correct option D, no zeros. If it does not intersect x-axis, then there will be no zeros. Next question number 11. If the graph of y equal px, where px is a polynomial, intersect the x-axis at one point only, then the number of zeros is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct option A 1. Remember, if it touch or intersect x-axis in one time, then number of 0 will be 1. If it intersect two times, then the number of 0 will be 2. This is the clear concept. Alright. Next question number 12. At most, how many zeros a linear polynomial can have? Option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. Correct option B 1. Remember, linear polynomial have degree 1. So degree 1 means number of 0 also 1. A quadratic polynomial degree is 2 means number of 0 also 2. So this is the clear concept. Alright. Next question number 13. The 0 of a linear polynomial px equal ax plus b, where a, b are real numbers, is option A minus a by b, option B minus b by a, option C minus ab, option D a by b. Correct option B minus b by a. Next question number 14. For any polynomial px, if pa equals 0, then a is called option A constant of the polynomial, option B 0 of the polynomial, option C degree of the polynomial, option D coefficient of the polynomial. Correct option B 0 of the polynomial. Remember, the value of a equals 0, so a is called the 0 of the polynomial. This is the concept. Alright. Next question number 15. From the graph y px given below, for some polynomial px, the number of zeros is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct option B 2. How? The polynomial px. So we have to find out, we can find out from this graph, the x-axis, this is the x-axis. The x-axis, how many times the graph is touched or intersect. This is one time, this is another time, two times. So 2 times intersect means the number of zeros will be 2. Alright. Next question number 16. A biquadratic polynomial is a polynomial of degree option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct option D 4. How we can find out this one? That degree 1 means linear polynomial. Remember, degree 2 means quadratic polynomial. Quadratic. Degree 3 means cubic polynomial. Degree 4 means biquadratic polynomial. Quadratic. Remember this concept. Alright. Next question number 17. The sum and the product of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c are option A minus b by a comma c by a, option B b by a comma minus c by a, option C b by a comma c by a, option D minus b by a comma minus c by a. Correct option A minus b by a into c by a. So let's understand this concept. First of all, here two formulas are there. This option is given formulas. So first formula for sum of the zeros, second formula product of the zeros. So this is the standard form of the quadratic equation, and in the quadratic equation sum of the zeros is always minus b by a. Remember, this is the formula, and this is the sum of the zeros, formula of the sum of the zeros, and product of the zeros is c by a. Next question number 18. The sum and product of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial k square x square minus kx plus 1 are option A 1 by k minus 1 by k. Option B, minus 1 by k square. Option D, 1 by k square. Option D, 1 by k minus 1 by k square. Correct option C, 1 by k and 1 by k square. Remember, here two formulas actually given. According to the two formulas, two answer we have to find out. This is the general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Here you can understand, and already we know the sum of the polynomial, that means that is minus b by a, and the product of the polynomial is c by a. According to the formula, the value of, suppose first b means what? Minus. First minus you have to write, and then k, value of b, in the place of b given minus k, so minus k, right? And then value of a we have to write according to the formula a. Here a is given, a means with x square, so with x square a means k square. So final value what will be? Minus into minus means plus, positive k, and here k square. K square means 2k. So 1k and 1k cancel, here will be 1 by k. So first formula is established, that is, sorry, not this one, 1 by k already we got. Next, according to the formula product of the zeros, that means c by a. According to the c by a, here it was actually we have applied this formula, minus b by a formula is applied. Here c by a, so in place of c it is given plus 1, and value of a is given what? This one, k square. So 1 by k square. Second formula also established, 1 by k square. Alright. Next question number 19. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial 3x square minus x minus 4 are. Option A, 1 and minus 4 by 3. Option B, minus 1 and 3 by 4. Option C, minus 1 and 4 by 3. Option D, minus 1 and minus 4 by 3. Correct option C, minus 1 and 4 by 3. Alright. This equation actually we have to find out solving this problem. Next question number 20. The zeros of a quadratic polynomial x square minus 15 are. Option A, under root 15 and under root 15. Both positive under root 15. Option B, under root 15 and minus under root 15. Option C, 3 under root 5 and minus 3 under root 5. Option D, 5 under root 3 and minus 5 under root 3. Correct option B, under root 15, positive under root 15 and negative under root 15. So we can solve it in simple way, that is x square minus 15. We have to write 0 because we have to find out the zeros, remember. So 0 have to put. Next, x square equal, this will go to the right hand side. It will transpose to 15, that is positive 15. Alright. Now what to do? Remove this square because we have to find out the value of x. Remove this square. When we shall remove this square, then right hand side there will be a positive plus minus symbol, then 15 will be go under the root. Now this is split up, x equal, this plus minus means one time plus 15, another time minus under root 15. So plus means no need to write. According to this our option, this is positive under root 15 and the negative under root 15. Alright. Next question number 21. The quadratic polynomial with 2 as a sum and minus 8 as the product of its zeros is. Option A, x square minus 2x plus 8 minus 8. Option B, x square plus 2x minus 8. Option C, x square minus 2x plus 8. Option D, x square plus 2x plus 8. Correct option A, x square minus 2x plus 8. So to verify this, it will take little bit time. As we know the formula, that is sum of the zeros is minus b by a, and the product of the zeros was c by a. So conversely, applying these two formulas, we can find out exactly this answer. Next question number 22. The quadratic polynomial with 0 and minus 1 by 7 as two zeros is. This is also similar problem. Option A, 7x square plus x. Option B, x square minus 7x. Option C, x square plus 7x. Option D, 7x square minus x. Correct option A, 7x square plus x. This is also we can find out applying the formula of sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. Next question number 23. If the graph of y equal x square minus 2x minus 35 cuts the x axis at 7, 0 and minus 5, 0, then the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x minus 35 are option A 7 and minus 5, option B 0 and minus 5, option C 0 and 7, option D 0 and 0. Correct option A 7 and minus 7. I am concluding today. To get more classes regularly, please subscribe my channel. We shall meet again in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.